6 essential foods to strengthen leg muscles in older adults. One of the most noticeable signs of aging is the gradual loss of muscle mass, especially in the legs. This weakening can impact balance, mobility, and overall independence. Maintaining leg strength is crucial for staying active and, more importantly, preventing falls, one of the leading causes of injuries among older adults. Strong muscles provide better coordination, stability while walking, and greater ease in performing daily tasks such as getting up from a chair or climbing stairs. While physical activity is fundamental for leg health, nutrition plays an equally vital role in preserving and rebuilding muscle mass. The right diet supplies the necessary nutrients for muscle growth, recovery, and function. Consuming foods rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats can help maintain muscle strength, boost energy levels, and improve mobility. In this video, we will explore 6 essential foods that can support leg strength in older adults. These foods contain key nutrients that aid in preserving muscle mass, strengthening bones, and promoting joint health. 1. Sweet potato, sustainable energy for muscles. Sweet potatoes are one of the most nutritious foods available. Rich in complex carbohydrates, they provide a steady energy supply, preventing sudden spikes and drops in blood sugar levels. This sustained energy is essential for activities such as walking and climbing stairs. Additionally, sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which improves digestion and enhances nutrient absorption for muscle health. They are also an excellent source of vitamin A, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscles from oxidative damage, slowing down age-related muscle loss. Vitamin A also aids in muscle recovery after physical activity. 2. Oats, a source of protein and sustainable energy. Oats are incredibly beneficial for muscle health in older adults. Their low glycemic index carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy, which helps maintain endurance throughout daily activities. They are also an excellent source of plant-based protein, which is essential for muscle rebuilding and maintenance. Additionally, oats provide iron, which supports oxygen transport in the blood, and magnesium, a crucial mineral for muscle contraction and relaxation, helping prevent cramps. 3. Avocado, healthy fats for muscle function. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation and protect joints from wear and tear. They are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral for muscle control, contraction, and cramp prevention, a common issue among older adults. Furthermore, avocados contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect muscle cells from oxidative damage, slowing down muscle loss associated with aging. 4. Berries, protection against muscle degeneration. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are some of the most antioxidant-rich foods available. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to muscle degradation and loss of strength over time. Berries also have anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce joint and muscle pain. Their high vitamin C content is essential for collagen production, a key protein that supports the health of tendons, ligaments, and muscles. 5. Salmon, high-quality protein and omega-3s. Salmon is one of the best protein sources for older adults, as it contains all the essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance. Additionally, it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle and joint pain. Omega-3s also support cardiovascular health, ensuring efficient blood circulation to muscles. This improves oxygen and nutrient delivery, optimizing muscle function and preventing fatigue. 6. Eggs, a nutritional powerhouse for muscles. Eggs are a complete protein source, containing all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and recovery. They are also rich in vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for bone health and muscle function. Additionally, choline, a nutrient found in eggs, plays a vital role in communication between nerves and muscles, ensuring proper motor coordination. This is essential for preventing falls and maintaining mobility. Final thoughts. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can significantly improve leg strength and mobility, helping older adults maintain their independence and overall quality of life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions.